Warm greetings from Alpa Prabhu for a happier and healthier new year to everyone. It is a great pleasure of mine to address and share with you all the glimpses of the year gone by and to celebrate our institution's successful 16 years in the realm of imparting quality education to the young crop then and now with the same passion and commitment as always, even in the face of challenges and changes. SPS has been a precursor of change, on a mission to inspire, empower, and enable in uplifting the quality of education. So, we adapted to the new normal early on and created a culture of collaboration with all the stakeholders in education. In keeping with our tradition, we began the year as usual with sharing the school's vision, curriculum, school systems, teaching methodologies, and the core scholastic activities in virtual orientations with parents time to time. The teachers who are exemplary role models for students were given tasks with special responsibilities, from attending and organizing webinars initially to learning the latest skills, doing video conferencing, carrying out training programs, and along with the regular online and offline classes, they adapted to the new normal swiftly and smoothly. Additionally, under the aegis of SPDP, that is Sagar Professional Development Program, new initiatives were undertaken to train and groom our teachers from all the branches of SPS. The team SPSGN presented informative sessions on the CBSE handbooks and also on the visionary educationist Gijubhai. Thus, from acquiring actionable insights on the use of technology to blended learning, learner-centric pedagogies, teacher-student engagement, and online assessments, we moved from strength to strength and emerged stronger than the challenges we were faced with. So our efforts bore fruits, and 9 shining pearls of SPSGN made us proud by making their place in the topmost coveted institutes of India, from IIT Varanasi to Delhi University and Tata Institute of Social Sciences. I am glad to share that our alumni have been making a niche for themselves, and some are placed in positions of distinction in India and abroad. To further our ties and connectivity, this year we began with a fresh proposition, Alma Shine, with the support and collaboration of students. In a series of online webinars and sessions on career counseling was undertaken by our career counseling cell, UDAN, throughout the year. So various myths related to different career choices were busted and the dilemmas were resolved. Today's world has become a global village, and celebration of important days, events, and festivals showcase the acceptance of this cultural diversity, solidarity, and patriotism. Assemblies were regularly organized, as always, in the junior wing to acquaint children with these values. The virtual celebration of each important event as per the school diary, be it the Foundation Day, Teachers' Day, Independence Day, or important festivals, have been instrumental in reinforcing the values of responsibility to the society and the world at large by our little Sagarites. We realize that it is in the little things of life that real happiness resides. So, taking children's mental and physical well-being into consideration, SPSGN not only planned online dance, music, sports, and library classes, but also we conducted a structured virtual camp, the structured virtual summer camp for our children to promote growth and learning new skills. And this online camp saw a magic of activities from dance, music, sports, yoga, with the limitations of lockdown, but within the comforts of their home. From time to time, the school also organized rich and diverse array of literary activities such as mock parliament, declamations, group discussions, poetry recitation, short story writing, quiz contests, Hindi Divas, spellathon, and many more round the year to give impetus to language and to promote awareness. Furthermore, in accordance to NEP, we have also introduced a healthy mix of languages at the foundational level in a bid to promote proficiency in multiple languages. a vital skill in the increasingly interdependent and connected world. A reading week, as per the CBSE directives, packed with multitudinous activities, was organized across classes 1 to 12. Lockdown Tales, our maiden e-book comprising of expressions of Sagarites, our students, teachers and parents during the lockdown period in the form of articles, videos, images, and these were released online on 15th of August 2020. In order to keep our Sagarites fit and healthy, we share videos on different exercises. Students upload videos showcasing their talent and mark the sports day. The junior Sagarites enjoyed activities like the scavenger hunt, carpet race, the child and parent activities, and much more. The senior children too had their share of fun, and events were specially designed for them. National Sports Day was celebrated online with gusto, wherein a yogathon, growthathon, and the Fit India Freedom Run, the virtual marathon, was organized, and students and teachers participated enthusiastically. Our senior Sagarites are really brave, and they are coming to the offline classes regularly, following the complete COVID-19 protocol with complete safety measures. At SPS, our endeavor is to equip our Sagarites with the latest innovations and interventions in school education, along with the right moral conscience to navigate through life and its unforeseen challenges. With hope round the corner in the garb of the new vaccine, we hope and pray to see you back in the classroom soon. We miss you, Sagarites. Till then, stay safe and stay healthy.